the track. Huge line to get in. And we had like 35-40 minutes of traffic to get here. So, you know, putting the car basically through the torture test of a lifetime. Been sitting in traffic for 40 minutes. Now we're sitting in the line for another 20 minutes. It's not getting hot, but god dang.
I'm getting hot.
Yeah, Monica's definitely getting hot over here, so. Dang. All right. Monica and I are in the building. Lanes are filling up. People are getting teched in. I gotta go get my racing number for the season. But yeah, otherwise we'll get into line, get our cars teched in, and start making some rips. All right, guys. Gonna make our first lick on the new setup. Only got like 24 pounds of pressure in the tires. We're gonna start there and go down. Matched up with a Coyote Mustang here. Monica's gonna go get a nice shot. I think my tires are gonna be the worst to deal with, but we're gonna get them nice and hot and see what goes. But gotta get the nerves out of the way. Just A to B pass. Make a full pull. Damn. GT500 just banging limiter. All these guys have their windows up with AC on. Here we go. Here we go. She made it! She made it! Looking good! I can tell you right now, I did not get a data log. Didn't even think about it. One thing though is it stayed nice and safe. AFRs are around 11.8. Yeah, I'll need to get a data log, but I had to get that one out of the way, man. I have no idea. Let's see. Let's see what kind of times it's gonna run. I mean, it felt great. Shit was ripping. Got it out to about 5,500. It's nice and easy. Woo! Gotta say, I wasn't too far behind this Mustang. All I saw, it's a red Coyote. He's got 305 tires on the back. I'm running. Thank you. We're going mid-12s, boys. All right, we're in business. We're in business. All right, so first pass, we spun pretty bad, but still ran a 1294 at 108, almost a 2-second 60 foot. So that's horrible. I need to get that down before really my time's going to improve a whole lot, because I have a feeling it's going to be the same thing like when I didn't have a turbo, and that's just, I'm not going to cut a good 60 foot. I definitely can cut a better light, but yeah, we ran an 845 in the 8th, but I just, yeah, that needs to, we're gonna make some adjustments and go back out there and see if we can't do it. I did forget to data log, so yeah, I just need to get back in the lanes and go make another pass, let the car cool down. Gonna need some tires before I start going super fast, but yeah, I mean, I almost beat my record by a whole second. So we're in the 12s right off the first hit. So let's go back out there and see what we can do. All right. Got my data log started here. It is hot. Pre-stage here, boys. Lot going on. Woo! All right, left off the button. Rode out decent. I don't know. I think, you know, for the first, that's why we do testing tunes, folks. But I know for a fact that I got a data log for one, and two, the car ran great. Nice little cool down. Woo! All right, folks, we're back. So, checking out some data logs here. Yeah, I mean, it runs really rich. I mean, it's targeting 11.6 and it's running 11.4. And then that was in second, I'd imagine. And in third, I mean, yeah, it just runs hella rich.
Hella rich.
Well, you guys get the basic idea. Very linear here. TPS definitely hitting 100%. Oil pressure's good. AFRs stay nice and linear. No spikes, no nothing. We're just gonna keep running it on this tune-up, get some data, get a couple logs so I can look at them when I really get home. But yep, oil pressure staying good. And peak boost was 6.6 pounds. All right, so here are my two slips side by side. Right one's the first one, left one's the second one. Ran at 1290 at 112, almost 113. So we'll see if we can't get into 113s, and hopefully we can just get my damn 60 foot down, because that's where we're slacking, is the short track. So we definitely got it out the big end. We're gonna run it again, see if I can't do something to make it a little better out the hole. Come on, Jegs. That was insane. Good job.
Yeah, that was a lot of smoke.
That's enough. I need to stop spinning, but it's just so hard. Frustrating, people. Don't build yourself a turbo car and come out to the track on 225 street tires. Don't do it. It's frustrating. This thing pulls so hard, but not enough, man. I want to go fast. My dad made it down here though, so that's cool. Get into the old hot lap special. We're gonna get back out there and not spin. I'm gonna beat the crap out of this clutch. I'm gonna really ride it out and just not spin, not spin. Don't spin, and we should run all right. Well, we got matched up with a BMW SUV, so we might get our first win of the night. Woo! Car in front of us had a wild ride.
Come on, Jegs. Better beat this grandma's SUV.
Now we're talking. Clean rip. I got out of the hole pretty good, not gonna lie. Who knows? I have such bad judgment when it comes to this shit. Felt really good, left real good. We'll see what it says on the time slip. The one good thing about that pass is my reaction time was very good. 0.05. So at least we got that down. Got a good light today. Still didn't get out of the hole very well. And that's where the time goes. So, need to get some tires here real soon. Alrighty. We are done packing up here. Car ran great. We pretty much ran out of tire on the first lick, but yep, those little Continentals just ain't gonna cut it no more. Great for the rain and stuff, but we're in race mode and these just aren't gonna do it. So we'll need to figure out a wheel and tire situation. Not sure if I want to put tires on these wheels and just use these as drag wheels, or get a fresh set, but nonetheless, I tried launching on the two-step once today and it just instantly fired the tires off. So that wasn't the move, and you know, tried to drop them down to like 18 pounds of pressure. That really didn't seem to help much either, and so we're gonna make some adjustments, get a couple things buttoned up under the hood. Got to put my heat blanket on the downpipe, keep those intake temps down, but yeah, no, car ran great. Gonna drive it home, and this will be a great week and a great testament to, you know, us putting cars together. This thing made it all the way up to Beaver Bay, made some licks up at Beaver Bay with Ben and Kenny, drove it all the way home, drove it straight to the racetrack, made 5 hits, very consistent, super happy. All right, well, forgot to film an outro at the track, but yeah, no, it was hot and we were ready to get out of there. Car ran great, we had a lot of fun. Got to learn a bunch of stuff so that we can improve on. So we're gonna get better the more we get out there and make some more passes and get some more seat time under our belt. But as always, you know, if you like the content, make sure to hit the button down below and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We got some really fun stuff coming down the pipeline, so you don't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay ripping.